On May 6, 2023, airport officers were dispatched to the rental car center in response to a man attempting to steal a rental vehicle. The suspect had successfully stolen a rental car approximately 2 years prior, and Hertz employees recognized him from that prior incident. During this attempt, the suspect targeted a 2023 Dodge Durango and was observed placing his bags into the trunk, running to the driver's side, and starting the vehicle. He was stopped by Hertz employees before fleeing the area.
I know him long time, the guy. He stole a car from me downstairs before. I got a picture for him, and then he come in, he took for his car, he took like his customer, he put the luggage, he want to take the car.
Really?
And then when I told him, I called the police, he keep quiet, he don't say nothing, goes straight to the bus, Terminal C. He go to Terminal C.
What was he wearing?
He got a, look like this color, shirt, jeans, got a backpack, silver, and case suit.
Looks like a surfer?
Silver.
Oh, a server.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
And you got a luggage bag, black.
A luggage bag, black. And so does he just wander up here?
The guys, they clean the car. He said, they called me. He said, what happened? The guy just jumped in the car and go. I go. I told you, I know him. He stole a car from me 100%. This guy. That's same clothes here.
This is the same clothes he was wearing?
Just to take a picture now.
Just now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 708, and I'm out with the RP. You're looking for an Indian male, light build, with a blue collared shirt. The RP's telling me he got on a bus that goes to Terminal C. How long ago was that? Like just now?
Look like less than 10 minutes.
Okay. So, does he just gets quiet and says nothing?
Quiet, nothing. When I talk to him, he left, he took the luggage, he's wrong.
And this is the picture you took today at 1:51.
I got two pictures,
and this is the other one?
Yeah.
And he tried to take a car?
They took it already.
Oh, they already took it, so he's taken a car before?
Yeah.
Okay. He said that this guy has done this before. He carries around luggage almost like a passenger, and when they're cleaning the cars up here at Hertz, he just jumps in the car and tries to drive away.
Yeah.
Yes, he does try to drive off, and from what I'm understanding, he has succeeded once before, and Hertz has filed a report with it before.
This is where the case immediately tilts against the suspect. Multiple Hertz employees independently claim they recognize him from a prior successful theft. Not a suspicion, not a rumor, but an incident that allegedly already resulted in a police report. Legally, that prior knowledge matters. It shapes how employees interpret his actions this time, especially when he repeats the same behavior. Luggage in the trunk, engine started, silence when confronted. Ask yourself, if you'd been burned once before, would you assume innocence the second time? Or would you see a pattern forming in real time?
He's inside the car. He started the car, right?
Yes, he started the car.
Yeah. I opened the door like that. I said, what do you do? Like that.
Gotcha. And then he left. He just got his things, and then he
opened the...
He opened the...
And then he goes straight.
He grabbed his things, and he went straight back. Did he?
Yeah, I follow him. And then make sure what terminal he go. He tried Terminal E. He changed his mind. He goes C.
Shortly thereafter, additional officers observed the man inside the airport.
Hey, what's up? Hey, pull over right here. What's up? Was you just out at the rental car?
No.
Yeah, you was. What's going on?
What's the problem?
Well, the problem is you got in a rental car when you didn't rent one. That's you right there. That's you, right?
What's the problem, officer?
Okay, I'm telling you what the problem is. The problem is you got in a vehicle that you didn't rent, so we want to know why was you in that vehicle, huh?
Because I was checking it out to see if maybe I wanted to rent it before I rent it.
Well, you need to go and talk to them before you check it out. Are you traveling today? Or what are you doing? You got somebody in?
I'm going back home, dude. Okay. I need to leave.
You got somebody
go back home.
I'm just asking you a question. Why was you in the car if you hadn't rented? You talking about you checking it out, but you can't just go get in the car and don't let nobody know. So you still that's what you were saying, that you was thinking about renting a car?
Yeah, I just was sitting inside it, seeing if there's something that I would want. That's all.
But you can't do that.
But before what do you mean? I can't do
You
that?
can't. You got to talk to them. You can't just go into the rental car facility and go get in the car and decide if you want it or not. That ain't the way it works. And I'm pretty sure you already know that. Did you take off in the car? Did you
Absolutely
drive the car?
not.
Okay, I'm just saying.
I've already had that issue with y'all once before. I would never do that again. Never.
Here's where the suspect's explanation starts to unravel under scrutiny. He claims he was just checking out the car, but that claim doesn't line up with the behavior described by witnesses. Sitting in a vehicle is one thing. Turning it on, loading luggage, that's where intent becomes legally relevant. In many jurisdictions, unauthorized use doesn't require the car to move. It requires control and intent. So here's the question for you. At what point does curiosity stop being curiosity? And does intent matter more than whether the tires ever touched the road?
Where are you supposed to be traveling to right now? Where are you supposed to be traveling to?
Is there any way we can all talk somewhere privately? All of us?
Nobody know what we're talking about.
Okay, well...
Don't nobody know you right here. I'm asking you a question.
Generally speaking,
trying to get you on your
people
way.
would say it's not the best thing to run your mouth to cops.
Okay, well, come on, let's go over here and talk. Step out here.
So I guess just because of what happened over here, we're trying to look and see if we're gonna press charges against what he did, because we're trying to establish, because he did turn the vehicle on. Of course, from what I understand, the car didn't move, but he did turn the car on. He did put his things in the back, which would lead a reasonable person to believe that he was going to leave with the vehicle. So we're seeing if we're going to go with UUMV, which is unauthorized use of a motor vehicle.
This is a crucial legal moment. Officers explicitly reference UUV, unauthorized use of a vehicle. That charge hinges on access and intent, not distance traveled. The suspect didn't need to leave the garage. The moment he entered a vehicle he didn't rent, started it, and loaded personal property, law enforcement can argue he exercised control. That's why officers emphasize what a reasonable person would believe. It's not about his explanation. It's about whether his actions reasonably looked like theft in progress. Do you think that standard is fair or too subjective?
And if you all are going to prosecute for that based on what you said. So I just want to talk to you to see what that looks like for you.
Okay.
So, I travel back and forth from left field to this airport fairly often.
All right.
And I'm trying to work on some things in regard to gas speculation, being around people who use gas, to pump gas. They know the meaning of getting gas from Saudi Arabia, different places, and the price of that.
Okay.
And in doing that, part of that requires me to just check it out. And I'm not doing anything illegal while I'm here. So how may I come to DFW in a way that's more respectful? You suggest I speak to somebody and then have them go with me to see the car?
Yeah, that's the way it normally works. I mean, if you haven't rented the car, you can't just go out there, get in the car, and decide, well, hey, I want to look at. All you gotta do is talk to someone at the front desk. They can get an attendant to walk out there with you. You look at the car, check it out. If that's the one you want, the type of car you want to rent, but you can't just go out there and get in the car and decide, well, hey, I don't want this one. Because from their standpoint, somebody trying to steal the car. Because we do have that happen. So I'm saying that's from their standpoint. I didn't say you was trying to steal the car, but you didn't let nobody know what you're doing. So that's why we at this point where we at now, because they thought you might be trying to steal the car.
Absolutely not.
Well, okay, when they approach you, tell them, say, hey, I just want to check the car out.
Yes, and he approached me very aggressively.
Because they probably
like he was ready to hit me or something.
I wasn't there. I don't know about that.
Like he was pissed off at me for some reason.
Well, we have people come up there trying to steal the car. But what I'm saying, did you even elaborate that with him and say, hey,
yeah, I
wanted to check the car out?
That's all I told him.
I'm like saying, I'm not over there talking to them. It's another officer over there talking to him. So I'm not really sure what all took place at that point. But my concern was, hey, what was you trying to do? I mean,
I was just checking it out.
You was thinking about renting a car?
I was thinking about checking the car out, just sitting there to see if it's something I like, so I can tell my father or a friend of mine, hey.
Why you won't go to a car lot?
Huh?
Go to a dealership and do that.
I don't have money to buy a car.
I'm saying,
I need to go to West Texas to pay off some tickets and stuff like that so I can get my license reset.
But you said you checking the car to tell your dad what? About the car?
To see if it's something that I wanted, and that would be good for us.
Well, go to a car lot and check that out. You don't go to a rental car. That's what a car lot is for, a dealership. For you to check the car out and see if that's something you want your dad to buy. You don't go to the rental car. The rental car is for rentals. I mean, I ain't say you trying to steal the car. I mean, but we need to know what
The
was
exact
going on.
opposite of that.
Huh?
The exact opposite of that.
So I'm saying, but like I asked you, I said,
There's certain things that Chrysler, Dodge Corporation can send you here as a citizen, American civilian, to magnify the quality of their vehicles.
we'll go to the dealership.
That doesn't mean shit to anybody that has them at a rental car place or a dealership.
But I'm saying you need to go to the
Because
dealership.
we're broke and we own Asian countries.
Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
It's a meaningless task.
Listen to me. If you want to check a vehicle out, you need to go to the dealership.
Right.
So what was you coming up to Terminal C for?
I thought he went to A also, but I guess he didn't.
Who went to A?
The driver, because sometimes both goes to C and A.
Well, I mean, you got to get on the right one there.
Yeah.
So what you going to A for?
To get back on the train, go back home.
So you wasn't coming out of the travel, you got a suitcase, backpack?
I was thinking about maybe getting a car and going somewhere different with a family member, but that's not happening, so it's not.
I mean, you didn't go in there to talk to him about renting a car, right?
Why would I even pay money for a car to rent if I don't even know what it is first? Is it that wrong of me to see what I'm going to rent before I rent it?
Yeah. I mean, what did I tell you need to do? You
Yes,
need to
sir.
go up to
I'll
the agent,
I'll go
talk to
to the front.
them,
I won't go
and
alone.
ask them, hey, can I take a look? They'll send somebody out there with you to look at that car.
I can respect
Or
that.
you can ask them, hey, what kind of cars do you have to rent?
Okay.
They didn't say he did. He decided to sit in the car.
Well, from what he told me, so he started the car. So to me, that's shows some intent. But I mean, definitely him sitting in the car.
That's why I showed him the picture. I said, that's you right there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, he did turn on the vehicle. So, from what I understand, he walked up here with the luggage that he had. He bypassed the people who were cleaning the car, put his stuff in the open hatch, shut it, then got into the driver's seat of this Dodge Durango up here. And then before he could drive away, because he had already turned the vehicle on, before he could drive away, the RP intervened, put his hand on the steering wheel and said, "What are you doing?" And then when they said they were going to call the police, he grabbed his things and left. He came to the upper level where they do not rent vehicles. They're only cleaning them. They only rent them downstairs. So he got in there and he said that he was getting ready to drive off, but if he didn't have his hand on the steering wheel, or if he hadn't taken his hand on the steering wheel, he would have probably left with the vehicle.
This is the turning point. Officers lay out a detailed sequence that directly contradicts the suspect's version, and it's supported by employee statements, photos, and prior reports. The location matters too. He wasn't even on the rental floor. He was in the cleaning area, where customers aren't authorized at all. When stories diverge this sharply, police typically default to physical evidence and witness consistency. And here, both point the same direction. Watch how the tone shifts. This stops being an interview and becomes an arrest in motion.
So what is it, Mr. Shake? Shake? So this is where we at right here. Your story is a little different from what we've been told, that you put your stuff in the vehicle, cranked up the vehicle, and then that's when they approach you. So as our standpoint, that's like basically trying to steal the vehicle, burglar the vehicle.
That would not ever be the case because I've already been here before for that exact same thing.
Well, because you weren't even in the location where you're supposed to rent a vehicle.
Yeah, that's on the first floor.
Okay, you weren't even there. You was at the point where they returned.
On the second floor, correct.
All right. So what I need you to do, go ahead and put your phone down and your backpack. And turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Really? You being arrested?
Yeah, you're going to be arrested.
Put yourself down.
Burglary of motor vehicle, criminal intent.
Take your bag off.
Burglary motor vehicle? Really?
Take your bag off.
Wow.
Turn around and face this way. Take your bag all the way off. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, we're gonna go to the front of this car right here.
Can we just go back there and view the footage together? Do my stuff back?
Yeah, your stuff will go with you.
I mean, you're damaging my phone, but put it under.
Your stuff will go with you. Let me get you back in the back of the vehicle, and your stuff will go with you.
That's fine. Please get my phone off the hot ass.
Your stuff will go with you. The longer you sit here and you argue with me about getting in the back of my vehicle, the more your stuff sits there.
I'm not arguing with
Then
you.
let's go. Put your left foot up there. Put your left butt cheek up. And slide on in.
They say he had 8 charges, UMB.
Well, because we have keys right here that says, it's a prevent theft, remove valuables from rental car and lock doors. It's a 2023 Dodge Charger. And just says Texas. There's a QR code. I'm gonna try to scan that and see what that comes back up.
It just keeps getting better and better.
What they say?
Criminal trespass at A, and then there's another report that we had on him, and there's a follow-up. So he's got a Zippo. So just leave it right there. I'll just let the jail know that there's flammable products. Yeah.
Where's all my belongings?
They're in the back of my car.
Why are we not bringing them in?
I'm sorry?
Why didn't you bring them in?
Because I have to bring you in first.
Okay.
Your stuff will be brought in once you get secured in the cell.
What's that?
Your stuff will be brought in when you get secured in the cell.
I cannot believe you have zero respect for me.
How do we not have zero respect for you? You committed an offense.
No, I did not.
Not once, but twice.
You should know who I am.
2 years ago.
You should know who I am and what I'm doing here.
2 years ago.
But obviously, you guys got some other thing going on.
2 years ago, you committed the same offense.
No, I did not.
Okay. Go ahead and sit on this black and yellow line, spread your feet one more time. We are going to search you one more time.
That's why I'm in handcuffs. So I'm getting stolen from, I feel like.
No, you're in handcuffs because you try to rob a vehicle. You try to steal a vehicle from the rental car center like you did 2 years ago.
Sir, I'm not a car thief.
Okay.
This moment is emotionally charged, but legally devastating. The suspect insists he's being disrespected. Officers respond with something far more damaging. Criminal history. 8 prior unauthorized use charges fundamentally change how this case is viewed. Courts and police don't evaluate incidents in isolation when patterns exist. His claim that this could be a hate crime doesn't align with the documented history or the conduct observed here. The big question now isn't, did he mean to steal this car? It's how many chances does someone get before intent is presumed?
All right, that's fine. Well, you can believe that.
I know that.
Okay. Well, your criminal history statement shows differently.
My criminal history?
Yep.
Because if I don't get released in 6 hours from now with all my stuff, even if I have to walk from here back to the terminal, then I will definitely be getting an attorney, and this will be considered a hate crime for me being over here.
Okay.
The suspect was charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle and theft of property valued between $30,000 and $150,000. Further investigation revealed he had previously been charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle on 8 separate occasions. During a search of his belongings, officers located an additional rental car key belonging to Enterprise. No sentencing information is available. However, the suspect was arrested again in 2024 for criminal trespassing, and again in early 2025 for an unknown charge.